Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Canva gig in Fiverr. So first off is go to canva.com right here, and we could say like thumbnail, since gig images in Fiverr basically look like thumbnails and stuff. So go through these templates and see what you would like and edit. So let's say, like, let's find a good one right here. So there are different thumbnails here, like blogs and stuff. Here, let's find a good one. So these are, if you see a crown logo here, it means that it's Canva Pro, and you need to upgrade your account to Canva Pro if you want to access these kinds of templates. So let's find a free one, a free template first. So either you could search also for using thumbnail so that much more variety will show up and much more catchy. So let's see here. So like this, you could try this, yellow and black. It's pretty good. You just click on it and customize this template, and you'll be redirected here. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, yep, still loading and good. So now that we're here, we can edit it right now. So let's say that you have a job like typing services. So let's just put on typing services right here. Services C, and make sure that all the elements are visible. And let's say order now for, let's just say $15, 15 or 10, something like that. And you could edit your text, like add effects to it. You could make it glows just like so, and increase its size for more visibility. 36, something like that. 10. You could also add some glow here so people could see it first. So that boom, it's more visible right now, right? It's just like so. Edit it the way you want to. Boom. Order now. Thing like that. And now that it's more visible, you could replace this picture. Just click on it and click on delete. And you could search for other pictures right here, like elements, let's say typing. So Canva is really, really good when it comes to things like this. So you could get this picture right here. It's pretty good. Pretty neat right here. So like that, or this one. This one is better. Just click and drag it to here. And after that, you need to click on share here on the top right hand corner and click on download and download again. And after that, you have now successfully made a Canva gig image for Fiverr, or a Canva gig for Fiverr. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.